Okay, guys, it was brought to my attention that the scavenger hunt page that you guys are supposed to type your answers on for some reason isn't working. So a really quick fix I think I figured out is you're going to click on the scavenger hunt link like this. And when it opens, as you can see, I can't type on it or anything. I can highlight, but this is what I think you are having trouble with. I don't know why it's doing that because it doesn't do it on my end. But here is a quick fix. If you'll go up here to these top three dots, click it and click on open in new window. It's going to look kind of the same, except now it's going to give us the option to open with. Click on open with and click on Google Docs. And then it should open up. And I would change your name up here. Okay, so you would put, I know Cameron sent me a message and so did Luke. So you can, type your name up here. That way I know whose it is because I don't know if it's going to turn into Google Classroom the way it should. But from here, you should be able to type away. See, I'm typing. Okay. So once you're done, again, because I don't know if it's going to turn into Google Classroom the other way, you can just hit the share button and then just find my name. Literally, you could just type Hinson right here, HINSEN. You want the one with apps. It's got to have the apps. Choose that one. That's the one that is in, and then you can just send it to me. That should take care of it. I'm so sorry there was an issue with it, but don't worry. You're going to be working on the scavenger hunt for a couple of days. So if this puts you behind, don't worry about it. Hope you enjoy this fun little excursion to the San Diego Zoo as it helps you get a better understanding of ecosystems. All right, guys. I totally love and miss you guys. I can't believe this is one of my last assignments with you and I'm not in the classroom with you. It makes me want to cry. Okay, I'm going to hold off the emotions. I love you guys. Let me know if you have any other questions. Okay, bye.